Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here with Automate with Jonathan. This video, I want to talk to you about a question I received, which is, can a non-IT person learn Selenium? And that's a great question, and I'm going to tell you why it might be challenging. Right, so I have a small script here that I just use to input the words. This is a search into the google.com search box. And I want to tell you why understanding Selenium and creating automation testing is like an onion. And you have to have a couple of different levels of knowledge in order to use Selenium. So you kind of have to, it's dependent upon knowing other IT things. And I'll show you what some of those are. Okay, just go from the top here. The question is, do you know how all these things work? These are all library imports. So this is just a part of Python. Do you know how to set up a virtual environment for Python? If you can set up a virtual environment, figure that out, then a non-IT person can do it. Do you know how to install the Chrome driver? I have topics on all of these things, so it's all very learnable. It just will take a little bit of time. Do you know basic HTML and CSS? And I'll show you why that's difficult. So let's go here. We'll just open up google.com using this script. And how do I know where to input my search? It's you have to look at the CSS. You have to inspect this. You have to click inspect again. You have to be able to pull out the class here. Pretty basic stuff, totally learnable, but there are some IT ideas that you're going to have to know in order to learn Selenium and Python. And also you're going to have to be able to troubleshoot errors, like web errors, website errors. You're going to have to be able to be dynamic and know how to use try and catch blocks and things like this and debug code. So for basic stuff, 100%. For basic use cases, you could watch YouTube tutorials and imitate some of the things that people do, but it will take a bit of time to understand the new potential use cases for Selenium. So I hope that makes sense. I wouldn't want to tell somebody, yeah, it's easy, you can do it, and then you spend 6 months learning it, but there's these other foundational skills about IT that you find out, or you're having a tough time with. You have to know every level. You have to understand you might have to understand how requests work and other, interrelated libraries in Python to get your scripts to work and run and do the things you want them to do. So I hope that helps. And if you agree or disagree, please leave me a comment below. Tell me why. I don't want to turn anybody off, but at the same time, I don't want anybody to feel, I don't want anybody to waste their time on something that, they might not be able to do. So thank you very much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button and have a great day.